Hey guys, what's up? So I'll be to show you the hop into best registry, so iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first is called Front Page. It loads custom Springboard themes and totally change the look and feel of your device, just like Dreamboard. This is called Dreamboard, and it's just like Front Page. It's powerful HTML for the Springboard. But this one's the outdated one for older iOS versions. This is called Auto Recorder etc. and fixes an app crash issue on iOS 12 and 13. For other issues on iOS 14 and 14.2. But the app is not opening, and updates coming from the Unc0ver team soon. But this allows you to record like phone calls, voice memos, system audio, your voice, and you could back up the record and save the recording. And just to let you guys know, make sure you guys follow and comply with the legal disclaimer. Me, the developer of this tweak, is not taking responsibility for how you guys use this tweak. So follow the laws, in your state or county or wherever you are. This tweak is called eSIM Plus, and it covers iOS 12.0 and above. Choose how to call your friends while using an eSIM or dual SIM for iPhones. So if you have dual SIMs in there, you can choose which SIM to use when you call and I think text people as well. This is called Crashed and Modern Crash Reporter for iOS. It tells you the crash package, so you can tell what's making your, what apps crash. This is called New Term for iOS 10 to 13, and it does work on iOS 14. And we believe there's an issue with the Unc0ver that makes it not work. So if it's not working for iOS 14 above, it means that there's Unc0ver. There's an error with Unc0ver, and the Unc0ver team has to update, the jailbreak so it can work. As you see right here, supports iOS 10 to 14.4, iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. This is called Watch Sounds, and it changes stock notification sounds and vibration with third-party applications on the Apple Watch. And this is called Cloaky, iOS 11 to 14, cloak annoyance items. This is called Hidden Album Lock, protect the hidden album in the iOS Photos app. This is called Ion or Aeon, a awesome app switcher replacement. So here are the features coming soon, and that's what it looks like. This is called Fast Unlock X, Faster Unlock for iPhone X. This is called BioProtect XX, current iOS 12, 13, and 14. It costs $2.99 and protect your apps with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. So it's like an extra layer of protection for your apps and games. This is called Splash Ad Block, remove applications, splash ads. This is called Lib Notifications, App Notification Library, supports iOS 8 to 14. This is called Smart Network 2. Having smartphones uses without smart features and functions. So it splits into two parts. You can choose to get notified from a list of selected apps with notification when an app is launched on mobile data. Prevents data consumption, choosing to get notified when apps get on Wi-Fi. Stop selected apps from launching when connected to mobile data. So you basically control with the mobile data and what apps access it, and notifies you when does access it. So if you run like really low data, this is a great tweak to manage that. This is called Snowboard, so the Snowboard theme engine supports iOS 7 and higher. This is called Copy 2. New Copy 2 is totally redesigned, optimized, and rebuilt from the scratch up. All-in-one solution that have contact pictures everywhere in your iDevice. This is called Data Logo Switcher, compatible with iOS 7 to 14. Change your LTE, LG, 4G, LTE, 5G logo. Next is called Glow, let your lock screen glow. Supports iOS 12, should support the iOS 14 versions as well. This is called Nfc Rider XX, Nfc Rider XX for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. Scan, write, copy, format, emulate, serve your NFC tags, credit, or debit cards. This is called Flits for Netflix Legacy, adds additional ratings to titles within the Netflix app. Compatible with iOS 8 to 14. The latest test version on Netflix was version 13.16.0. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.